Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset CMF by Nothing Phone 2 Pro. Alright, so there are two methods how we can reset this device, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So, to reset this device, we can use the settings, and that option is of course recommended when we have access to the phone, everything is fine, and the phone is responsive. So simply open up your settings, now scroll down into the bottom and click on System, and now click on Reset option. In here, besides erasing all data that we are interested in the most, we can also reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, app preferences, and also delete private space. To do it, simply click on one of those options and now click on Reset Settings. But we are interested in the Erase All Data factory reset. Remember, of course, that all of your data will be permanently lost and there is no other way to restore them, unless you created a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a video when we are showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. So it's a good way to prevent your data from losing, and you can always restore them in the future thanks to the backup. Okay, now all you need to do is to click on this blue button, Erase All Data. If you do everything right, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. But there is also the second method, which I'm going to show you right now, and it's by the recovery mode. And this option is recommended when the phone is, for example, unresponsive, frozen, or it's lagging that we can't do anything. So first let's turn off our device. Let's tap the power button and the volume up button, and let's tap on power off, just like that. Okay, and now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that, we need to keep on holding. Okay, and now we are in that mode. And now, using the volume up, we need to select the boot mode. We can also read about it on the screen. So using volume up, we need to select recovery mode. We have that arrow that it's pointing, and it needs to point recovery mode. And by clicking volume down, we confirm the selected option. So select recovery mode. Now tap volume down. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay. Now we see this Android logo. And to move forward to open up the recovery mode, now we need to hold the power button and tap volume up at the same time. And that's how we get access into the recovery mode. Now, using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking on the power button. Now again select factory data reset. Confirm by clicking the power button, and now our data has been successfully wiped out of our device. Okay, now select reboot system. Now click on the power button, and just like in the previous method, all you need to do now is to set up your phone once it will be turned on. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.